Well, I was coming out to this yard to check out another car, and I figured, well, this has been here a few days, might as well check it out too, right? Yeah. 1978 Ford LTD, man. I believe she did have the grill when she got here. And that light there too, that turn signal. But oh well, you know. It's a pretty straight car though, man. You know, sorry about my shadow there. I can tell it's been repainted. I can see the tiger stripes on it. Yeah. You can also see the overspray. Just got some damage here. That's the yard doing that. Let me scoop this over. Big old car. Look at that big old boat. Missing the tail light too. And she's been abused back there. I left the door open on this side because that fender's kinked right there. So you know when you try to open the door, it won't allow you to. But I mean, like I said, straight car, man. I do see some damage, you know, I see some dents up here. I can see some like hail damage, I think. Yeah, but overall pretty straight. This was caused by the yard. Yard did that. Pretty sure, pretty sure the yard did this too here. Oh, you can tell there's the overspray on it. I think all the glass is good. That windshield's good. I mean, I really, outside of, you know, the few little issues, not some of the stuff was caused here in the yard. I don't think anything was really wrong with this car. Let me look underneath. Let me put my knees here, man. I don't like knees on these damn rocks. Oh yeah. Heck yeah, man. That's a solid car. Let's see back here. Yeah, not bad. Pretty clean, look at that. Yeah, no rust to speak of. I don't see any anyways. The decklet's toast. That back bumper looks alright though. This tail light looks good. I mean, it's, you know, if you needed parts for, you know, a driver. Take a look real quick under the what did I do with my what did I do with it? I set it over here. Sorry about that, man. Check out what's in the trunk. Here's we got a couple of transmissions, a starter, hubcaps, and that's about it. Yoke, yeah. It's like C4s. Yeah. Inside. Here's your there's all your information, man. See the VIN there? Man, what's up with this? I got something on my. Sorry about that. I got something on my freaking. Yeah, I think. No, okay, it's just a glare. Come on, focus, damn it. All right. Anyways, the interior. Door panel's decent. Dash pad's got some cracks in it. There's the mileage. There's the what we got here. Drive shaft, bumper jack, what appears to be a back seat out of a Lincoln. I like the color of I like the fabric, the design on it. That's cool. I saw aftermarket radio down there. The headliner's got some issues, obviously. Let me put this way here. I went to start looking and I saw something right now. I was looking right, like, ooh, what's that? It's an old knife. Yeah, rough shape though. Ow, 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 ow. I'm cutting myself. Yeah. USA. What else I saw back here when I did this? Move the seat back. I saw something. Cheapy Allen wrench set. Oh, somebody's info. What else I saw back here? Anything else of importance? We're gonna see if us. That's it. Nothing else. I looked on that side too, and I didn't see anything. Yeah, clothes good too. Like I said, man, it's another abandoned project. You know. Nothing in the glove compartment. Okay. So it's pretty straight. Look at that. Yeah. Just looking at these here. Here it said made. It says USA on these Sylvanias. I don't know this brand here. TS. I don't know that brand. This was the same thing, but this the Sylvania also says. I think I also saw it. Yeah, USA on it too. Just sucks. These things are like $17 here for those lights, man. I think it's kind of high. Oh man, these hinges are nice. Nice hinges. Obviously, there's no transmission's gone. I guess it's one of those that's in the back. Looks we got a 351 Windsor. Appears to be. Yeah. Well, that's it, man. I didn't see anything else. I thought I'd just get a quick one of this one, you know, for you Ford guys. Got the emblem up there. Hood ornament. Yeah. There she is, man. Another 70s Ford land yacht. Gone. All right.